हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपके लिए आंसर की लाया हूँ अंडरस्टैंडिंग वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट जनरल इलेक्टिव क्वेश्चन बुकलेट सीरीज सी के लिए। ये सिक्स सेम का टर्म एंड एग्ज़ाम का पेपर है जो भी चल रहा है ये। और ये की फ्रेम किए हैं डॉक्टर ज़हूर अहमद ने, जो कि एपी हैं जीडीसी सोपोर में। मैं डॉक्टर साहब का मशकूर हूँ कि उन्होंने अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के इसकी को तैयार किया स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। डॉक्टर साहब, I extend my gratitude to you from the bottom of my heart for taking this trouble of preparing a key for the benefit of students. Thank you very much. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर वन है व्हाट आर द डायमेंशन ऑफ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी पार्ट ऑल ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर टू है द कॉजेज ऑफ जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन इंडिया। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी पार्ट बोथ ए एंड बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्री है अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011 सेंसस द लिटरेसी रेट among women in India is correct answer is C part 65.46. Question number 4 है education is milestone of women empowerment because correct answer है D part all of the above. Question number 5 है in local self government institutions at least one third of all positions are reserved for correct option है B part women. Question number 6 है what does Equal Remuneration Act signify? Correct option is C part law provides that equal wage must be paid to both men and women. Question number 7 है which of the following is not a sustainable development goal? Correct option है C part space research. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है जनानी सुरक्षा योजना वॉज लॉन्च इन ईयर। करेक्ट आंसर है बी पार्ट 2005। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है व्हाट इज द मेन एम ऑफ जनानी सुरक्षा योजना। करेक्ट आंसर है ए पार्ट रिड्यूसिंग मैटरनल एंड इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशन। करेक्ट आंसर है सी पार्ट ग्राम कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है मिड डे मील इज अ स्कीम टू प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिशियस फूड टू करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी पार्ट स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है विच कंट्री इज बेस्ट इन द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल इंडेक्स 2020। करेक्ट आंसर है बी स्वीडन। Question number 13 है नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट 2005 एम्स टू गारंटी। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी पर राइट टू वर्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया लॉन्च जनानी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम इन ईयर। करेक्ट आंसर है बी पर 2011। Question 15 है remuneration under Equal Remuneration Act 1976 means correct option है all of the above. Question number 16 है National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is renamed after correct option है A part महात्मा गांधी. Question number 17 है स्वयं जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना was launched in the year 1999 by correct option है B part Ministry of Rural Development. Question number 18 है under which scheme the central government would support children who have lost both parents due to COVID-19. Correct option है C part PM cares for children. Question number 19 है the Dowry Prohibition Act was passed in the year. Correct option A part 1961. Question 20 है ICDS stands for correct option B Integrated Child Development Scheme. Question number 21 है dowry prohibition officers are appointed. Correct answer है A part by the state government. Question number 22 है what is the full form of IRDP. Correct answer है A part Integrated Rural Development Program. Question number 23 है honor killing is a murder committed by. Correct answer है B part family members. Question number 24 है प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना फोकस ऑन। करेक्ट आंसर है ए पार्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग ऑफ यूथ। करेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 है हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन इज स्टेटेड एट। करेक्ट आंसर है सी पार्ट दिल्ली। Question number 26 है penalty for demanding or accepting dowry under Dowry Prohibition Act. Correct answer D part up to 1 year punishment and or up to 10,000 rupees fine. Question number 27 है अंत्योदय Antyodaya Anna Yojana is connected with correct answer A part public distribution system. Question number 28 integrated child development scheme was launched in the year. Correct option B part 1975. Question 29 right to education is guaranteed under which article. Correct answer B part 21A. Question number 30 Navjati Shishu Suraksha Karikram NSSK aims at correct answer A part training health personnel in basic newborn care and resuscitation. Then we have question number 31. Online platform launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development to support women entrepreneurs. Correct answer B part Mahila E-Heart. Question number 32. The Central Social Welfare Board was established in the year. Correct answer B part 1953. Question number 33. Domestic violence involves. Correct answer D all of the above. Question number 34. Who is the chairperson of the National Commission for Women in India? Correct option A part Rekha Sharma. Next question. Gender refers to correct answer C part role classification based on social attributes and not biological. Next question. Women in India are discriminated. Correct answer D part all of the above. Next question. Empowerment. Question number 37. It is empowerment refers to correct answer A part increasing the political, social, or economic strength of the individual. Question number 38. Empowerment of women is not only imperative but also crucial for correct answer all C part all round development of society. Question number 39. Which article of the Constitution of India ensures equal pay for equal work? Correct answer B part, Article 39C. Then question number 40. When was national policy for the empowerment of women adopted? Correct answer A part, 2001. Question 41. Which statement about the national policy for the empowerment of women? Not true. Correct answer D part, non-engagement of women's organization. Question 42. In order to maintain gender equality in the classroom, a teacher should. Correct answer A part, provides same opportunity to both the boys and girls. Question number 43. Which of these statements is true regarding gender? Correct answer D part, it is a social construct. Question number 44. Social reformer who took initiative for the propagation of widow remarriage. Correct answer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. D part is the correct answer. Question number 45. International Women's Day is celebrated on. Correct answer B part, March 8. Question number 46. How many tiers are there in the Panchayat Raj system of India? Correct answer C part. C part. 3-tier system. It is C part, 3-tier system. Question number 47. Maternity Benefit Act 1961 came into force. Correct option D part, 12th of December 1961. Then we have question number 48. Which section of the Maternity Benefit Act of 1961 deals with the right to payment of maternity benefits? Correct answer B part, section 5 of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. Question 49. Under Janani Shishu Suraksha Karikram, free entitlements for pregnant women include. Correct option all of the above. Question 50. As per Maternity Benefit Act, the maximum period for which any woman shall be entitled to maternity benefit shall be. Correct answer B part, 12 weeks. Question number 51. Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan envisaged to improve. Correct answer is A part, quality and coverage of antenatal care. Question 52 is at which level does Zilla Parishad make development plans? Correct answer is A part, district level. Question number 53 is how many posts are reserved for women at all levels in Panchayat Raj system? Correct answer is 1/3, A part. Then we have question 54. Among the following, which is not the objective of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao? Correct answer is C part, aiding in prenatal sex determination. Then we have question 55. Lakshya scheme was launched by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in the year. Correct answer is A part, 2017. We have question 56. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into force in the year. Question answer is D part, 2005. Question 57 is aggrieved person in the protection of women from domestic violence act includes. D part is the correct answer, all of the above. Question 58 is verbal and emotional abuse comprises of. D part is the answer, all of the above. Question 59. Officers appointed under Domestic Violence Act are referred as. C part is the correct answer, protection officers. Question 60. Section of Domestic Violence Act that deals with the duties and functions of protection officers. Correct answer B part, section 9 of the Domestic Violence Act. Dear friends, hope this skill will help you evaluate yourself. So like, share and subscribe this channel, and also feel free to comment in the comment box. Wish you all the best.